Case be written page 80, question 20a. A of Ahmedabad and B of Baroda entered into a joint venture for the purpose of buying and selling second-hand computers. So this is also joint consignment of goods. Their goods are computers. They have decided to buy and sell computers. If you are done, then I'll start. B agreed to make purchases and A agreed to sell them. The profits and losses were to be shared equally by A and B. So ratio is equal. Now, Harsh, A and B deposited 1 lakh and 1,50,000 respectively in joint bank account. Credit and joint venture account debit. What is? Yes, by joint venture credit, debit and joint bank credit. Money goes in the joint bank, cash comes in, so you'll write in joint bank account on debit side. Two co-venturers account. In that A 1 lakh and B, stop talking in between, 1,50,000. So total 2,50,000. Opposite side in co-venturers account by joint bank account. A's column 1 lakh, B's column 1,50,000. Is everyone clear with this? Yes. Next, it was agreed that payment for purchases shall be made out of joint bank and sale proceeds to be deposited in it. We did that in the morning also. Also, and then expenses were to be met from personal account of co-venturers. So exactly same way what we did in the morning. The way B purchased 25 second-hand computers at rupees 20,000 each. Which venture? Co-venture. And? Kidhar? Where is your finger? Let me see that. Here. Himanshi? Joint venture account debit to joint bank account. Purchases will come in joint venture account of debit side. To joint bank account. And in that you write purchases of 25 computers means 25 into 20,000. 5 lakhs. Is everyone clear with this? An opposite side in joint bank account by joint venture account in bracket purchases 5 lakhs. Any doubts with this? Yes, we will paid rupees 9,000 for reconditioning. So, Abhimanyu?
Joint venture account debit to B's account.
Yes, now expenses will be paid by whom? Co-ventures. So, joint venture account debit to B's account. In bracket, expenses, silence 9,000 and opposite side in co-venturers by joint venture account in bracket expenses in B's column 5, 9,000. Okay, as it is done in the morning also and in this question also. Expenses will be paid by the co-venturers personally. So for any expense, joint venture account debit to co-venturers account. Further, his other expenses were cartage 2,000 and insurance 1,000. Same entry for that. So joint venture account debit to B's account. Cartage 2,000. Insurance 1,000. Total 3,000. By joint venture account in co-venture on credit side, in bracket expenses, in B's column 3,000. Any doubts on this? Next paragraph. A took delivery of all the computers and paid 12,000 for taxes and 3,000 for unloading charges. And the
joint venture account credit side, joint bank account debit side.
no. Z. Yes, again expenses incurred by A. As we did just now for these expenses, joint venture account debit side for expenses and A has incurred it, so to A's account. A is the giver, credit the giver. Taxes 12,000. Unloading 3,000. So 15,000 total. And in co-venturers on credit side, same place you can write in A's column 15,000. Is everyone clear with this? Further. Yes. Next, he sold 14 computers at rupees 22,000 each, 5 computers at rupees 23,500 each, and 3 computers at rupees 25,000 each. So, 18?
Joint bank account debit to joint venture account.
Yes. It is discussed in the first paragraph that whatever is goods sold, the money will be deposited in joint bank. So first of all, joint venture credit side will record the sales by joint bank account in bracket sales. Now 14 computers into 22,000. Three lakh 8,000. Then 5 computers into 23,500. 1,17,500 and 3 computers into 25,000. 75,000. So total value of sales is 3, 4, 490, 2, 4, 5,500. 500, 500. And opposite side in joint bank account to joint venture account in bracket sales. Five lakh 500. Any doubts in this? All have recorded that? Now his other expenses were go down rent 7,000 and selling expenses 2,500. Runika? His other expenses were go down rent 7,000 and selling expenses 2,500.
Joint venture in debit side and in co-ventures credit side.
Yes, joint venture debit side to A's account. Go down rent 7,000. Selling expenses 2,500. Total 9,500. And co-venturers credit side here expenses are already written there. You can write 9,500. Is everyone clear with this? Now, prepare joint venture account, joint bank account, and okay. Mr. A took over. We skipped one sentence in between. Look at it. Mr. A took over 3 computers at an agreed value of 21,000 each. So, Rohan. His goods going out will record in joint venture account on credit side, and A is the receiver, debit the receiver, so A account, debit. So joint venture credit side by A's account, computers taken over, unsold computers he has taken over. See here, 25 computers were purchased, but what we sold is 14 plus 5, 19 plus 3, 22 computers. How many computers are left out? That 3 computers are taken by A. So no closing stock will remain. 3 computers are taken at what value? 21,000. So 3 into 21,000, 63,000. No workings are required in this question. Because directly it's given that remaining 3 computers he has taken at what value? 21,000. So unsold stock is not there, workings are not needed. Did you understand this? When the workings would have been needed? No, even if it was given that A has taken 3 computers at cost price, that's it. Then we need to find the value of 3 computers. Then we would have done the working. Purchase price of 25 computers is 5 lakhs. Plus expenses on purchase 9,000 and 3,000, 12,000 we would have added. Then we would have said 5 lakh 12,000 is the cost of 25 computers. So 5 lakh 12,000 divided by 25 multiplied by 3. Is everyone clear with this? If the value at which he has taken, that is 21,000, was not given, then you would have made the workings. Any confusion in this? And opposite side in co-venturers account to joint venture account in A's column 63,000. Got it, everyone? So now here nothing is remaining unsold, the joint venture is closed. Means joint venture's balance will transfer to co-venturer. Co-venturer will transfer to joint, and joint bank must tally. All accounts must get closed. So here 5,63,500. Minus 5, 9, 12, 27, 36, 500. So 27,500, 27,000 to co-venturers account in bracket profit. Now how is the profit and loss to be distributed? Equally. So 13,500, 13,500. A will share 13,500. B will share 13,500. Okay, 27,000 divided by 2. Any doubts on this? Opposite side in co-venturers account by joint venture account in bracket profit. A's column 13,500 and B's column also 13,500. Now whatever balance remains here will be transferred to joint bank account. So 1 lakh 15, 24, 37, 38,000 and 150, 962, 75,500. 1 lakh 38,000 and 1 lakh 75,500 minus 63,000, so 65,000, 75,000 and 1 lakh 75,500 to joint bank account. Like in morning what we had done, balance carried on because there was unsold stock and joint venture was not over. It would continue in the next year, but here the joint venture is over. 3 computers were left out, that is taken by A. So here we have to transfer to joint bank account in bracket balancing figure. Now onwards all the questions we are going to do this. It was only that first question we did in the morning, odd man out, where the unsold stock is remaining and so balance is carried down by written. Otherwise joint venture in all the questions would get closed. Here now opposite side in joint bank account by co-venturers account. A 75,000, B 175,500, 2,50,500. Both the sides 7,50,500. So all the accounts get closed. Did you all understand this type of question, everyone? Any doubts in this? All are clear with it? So in your homework now, question 22A. I am discussing it. Clear with it? See this type of question asked for 12 marks. On 1st April 2014, Kailash and Kishore entered into joint venture, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Harshita, they deposited 50,000 and 30,000 respectively into the joint bank account and decided that joint bank account is to be used for purchase and sale. Same thing. Joint bank account for purchase and sale. And joint venture expenses should be paid by each partner out of their private funds. So Harshita, 50 and 30,000, what will be the entry?
Joint venture account debit side and joint bank.
No, really?
Joint bank account debit to both.
Capital is brought, joint bank account debit to co-venturers account. Kailash is to be paid salary of 200 per month for general administration and Kishore is to be paid commission of 5% on sales he effects. First of all, Kailash is to be paid salary of 200 per month. So Pooja,
Co-venture account debit side.
co-venture debit side, co-venture
Joint venture debit side. Co-venture.
and amount. Silence.
2,400 salary.
Wrong. Be attentive. Unlike 200 per month. See in the beginning, unlike 1st April 2014, they started the venture. Next paragraph, underline accounts were settled on 30th September 2014. Means the venture is over, the work is over by 30th September. So April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months salary. Where you have underlined 2,200 per month. 200 per month on the right side, write down April to September. Because the venture gets over by 30th September. Did you understand it? So salary will be what amount? 200 into 6? 1200. 200 into 6, 1200. Joint venture account debit to Kailash account. Joint venture account debit side Kailash account. And in co-venturers credit side by joint venture. In Kailash column 1200. Next. Kishore is to be paid commission of 5% on sales after the entry of sales. Kailash purchased goods worth rupees 65,000. So, Yashvi. Joint venture to joint bank. Purchases will be paid from joint bank account. And paid for expenses 5,000 Yash. Joint venture to Kailash. Joint venture account debit side. Expenses will be paid personally to Kailash and co-venturers on credit side. Kishore sold some of the goods for rupees 60,000. Rajni,
Joint venture on credit side and co-venture on debit side.
where will we deposit sales?
Joint bank.
Joint venture on credit side and joint bank on debit side. 60,000. And selling expenses 500. Prajapati. Joint venture to Kishore. Joint venture account debit side to Kishore account and co-venture credit side by joint venture in Kishore's column. Now sales are done. So that commission of 5% on 60,000 is 3,000. joint venture account debit to Kishore account. Unsold goods, unlike this, unsold goods worth rupees 20,000 were taken over by Kailash. Again, does the joint venture get closed or not? Yes. So joint venture you will transfer to co-venture, co-venture transfer to joint bank must tally. And what will be the entry for this 20,000 taken by Kailash? Joint venture credit side by Kailash, account was going out and it's withdrawn for partners, so co-venture debit side to joint venture account. Any doubts on this? Prepare joint venture, joint bank and co-venturers capital. For 12 marks, exactly similar question has been asked. Page number 75, question 2 is your homework. And discuss that also we attended. Here workings will be involved. The value of goods taken over is not given. Workings as we did in the morning will be involved. Meena and Jaya decided to undertake joint venture and share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Meena and Jaya deposited 3,000 and 5,000 respectively. Dhruvi?
Joint bank account debit side and joint co-venture account credit.
Joint bank account debit side to co-venturers account and co-venturers account credit side by joint bank account. Capital contributed by the co-venturers. Now again see that sentence, it was mutually agreed that the amount deposited in joint bank account will be utilized only for purchase. It's automatically assumed utilized for purchase of goods means sale will also be deposited in joint bank account. And expenses will be paid by the co-venturers personally. Same thing. Meena purchased 80 quintals of wheat at rupees 90 per quintal. Means
Joint venture to joint bank.
joint venture to joint bank 80 into 90, that is 7,200. And spent 300 as expenses to the
Joint venture on credit side. Co-venture account.
joint venture to Meena. Then Jaya sold 60 quintals of wheat at rupees 105 per quintal. Udeshi?
So in joint venture account debit side and in sold. Just joint venture credit side and in joint bank account debit.
It is sold, so joint venture credit side and joint bank account debit side 60 into 105. And paid rupees 150 as sales expenses in a
Joint venture to co-venture.
joint venture account debit to co-venturer Jaya's account. Now Jaya purchased 10 quintals of sugar for 2,500, so joint venture to joint bank and spent 100 for bringing it to the godown. Joint venture to Jaya. Meena sold 8 quintals of sugar for 1,900, joint bank to joint venture and spent 200 for expenses, joint venture to Meena. And then balance stock was taken over by Jaya. Since the balance stock is taken by co-venture, does it get closed or not? So here also joint venture you will close and transfer to co-venture, that will transfer to joint bank must carry. But what is the value of that balance stock? You make the workings. How will you make the workings? First for wheat. Units purchased 80 minus sold 60, unsold 20. Okay, now value. Cost of wheat purchased 80 into 90, 7,200 plus purchase expenses 300, so 7,500. Now what is the value of unsold quantity? 7,500 divided by 80 into 20. Same way you will find it for sugar. Units purchased 10, sold 8, unsold 2. Cost of sugar purchased 2,100 plus expense 100, 2,200. Now unsold value 2,200 divided by 10 multiplied by 2. And whatever is the total value of both wheat plus sugar, that will come in joint venture credit side by Jaya's account and in Jaya's account debit side to joint venture account. So here it was directly given that it's taken at 21,000. Here we have to find the value in the workings, but entries remain same. Is everyone clear with this? So first type of examples are all over. All the questions in pamphlet related to consignment of goods are done. Now we take the second topic, that is construction contracts. Give the heading joint construction contracts.
Joint construction contract.
Yes. Second type of examples, joint construction contracts. See, the concept remains same, so listen carefully and discuss few illustrative transactions which are possible and its entries, and then we can take up with a question. So, in construction contracts, what will happen? Like I gave the example in the morning, Rohan and Don. So, in construction contracts, what can happen is the co-venturers will have to buy the raw material. Co-venturers will have to buy the raw material, cement, sand, bricks. Such things will have to be purchased. If they are, now initial entry of capital is going to remain same. So if they purchase these raw materials, cement, sand, bricks, etc., etc., what entity will pass if they are purchased? Joint venture account debit to joint bank account. And it is quite possible that Rohan might say, he is already a builder, he is already doing the construction contracts. He can say that in my stock there is already a cement of 30,000. No need to purchase it. I directly bring that in the venture. Same way the other co-venturer may also say there is already having some sand or some other raw materials. So if these things are brought by co-venturers, then joint venture account debit, goods comes in. So inflow of goods, joint venture debit. Co-venturers are the giver. The co-venture becomes like their capital, which they are bringing in the form of goods. Did you understand this? I am just giving an illustration of what kind of transactions are possible. The logic and concept remains same. For all the inflow of goods and expenses, debit joint venture, outflow of goods, sales, incomes, credit. This is like personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Cash coming in debit and going out, okay. Now further, if they construct the things and expenses like architect fees will be involved, salary to engineer will be involved, okay, drawing expenses, interior expenses will be involved. So all these expenses, what entity will pass? Joint venture to joint bank. And if they are paid by co-venturer from his own pocket, joint venturer to co-venturer, like we did in this one. Okay. Then they will sell the things. Now here you will find generally different situations wherein when you sell the construction things, either you receive cash and sometimes the other person to whom you are selling it may give you shares also. Like suppose you are constructing a building for Reliance Industries. Then Reliance Industries will say the contract is of 10 crores. 6 crore you take in cash, means by check. And remaining 4 crores we give you shares of Reliance Industries. Everyone will be ready to accept because it is as good as cash only. You take the shares, next day you sell it in the stock market, maybe you get more than 4 crores. So here you will find that generally the contract price consideration is paid in kind also. Some amount is paid in kind in the form of shares. Then we have to make one more ledger account, shares account. So if you sell this and receive in check or in shares, then first of all sales, where will it come? Joint venture account, credit side. Whatever amount is received in cash, cash comes in, debit what comes in, so joint bank account, debit side, and whatever is received in the form of shares, shares account on debit side. Now if shares are received, then some more information will be given. The shares will be either sold in the market before you settle the joint venture, or co-venturers may take it over. They may say that I'll keep it and I'll sell it after 3-4 years, I'll keep it as an investment. So here, if you sell it, then shares account on credit side by joint bank account. Okay? And if it's taken by co-venturer, then shares account on credit side by co-venturer. And its profit or loss will appear in joint venture. So Profit or loss means you receive 4 crores of shares. You sell it for 4 crore 30 lakhs. Then shares account will credit with only 4 crore. And 30 lakhs of profit will go in joint venture. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes.
So this is just an illustration, but the concept remains same. Look at page 75. Yes? No. Maybe some questions will have it. Page number 75. Question number 3.
Dara Singh.
Be it. You can see there are 3 co-venturers, Dara Singh, Bhaktawar and Gopinath. Do you find it?
Yes.
And if you see the second sentence, the contract price is agreed at 25 lakhs. To be paid in cash, 22 lakhs, put one more zero. And what is the balance? 3 lakhs in 13% debenture. So like shares. Here we have debentures. So we'll make one more account. Which one? Debentures account. No. At the end, last sentence in the question. Past journal entries will not pass, cancel that. Show necessary ledger accounts for the joint ventures. Will make joint venture account, co-venturers account, joint bank account and debentures account. Is everyone clear with it? First example of construction, so I am explaining you. And I told you in the morning itself 2 lectures are devoted for construction. Tomorrow morning also we'll be doing it, so that I'll be asking you. Okay, make the 4 formats. Joint venture, co-venturer. In co-venturer, 3 columns. Dara Singh, Gopinath, Bhaktawar. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now listen carefully and understand it properly. Dara Singh, Bhaktawar and Gopinath undertake to erect in 5-storied mansion for housing trust limited. The contract prices are like agreed at 25 lakhs to be paid in cash, 22 lakhs and balance in 13% debentures of the company. Right now no entry, it is only agreed. When the construction is completed and the money is paid, then we'll pass the entry. Okay, this is just a term of the contract, condition of the contract given in the beginning, that they will construct the building for 25 lakhs. But once the construction is over and money is received, then only the entry will be passed. So did you underline the word agree? Okay, right now no entry, entry will be passed when the money is paid. Any doubts with this? Now they agreed to share equally the profits and losses, so here also it will be distributed equally. They opened a joint bank account with cash contributed as follows. So joint bank account debit side to co-venturers account. Dara Singh 3 lakhs. Bhaktawar 3,75,000. And Gopinath 2 lakhs. Shh, silence. So 8,75,000. Opposite side in co-venturers account by joint bank account. Dara 3 lakhs. Bhakta 3,75,000 and Gopi 2 lakhs. Is everyone clear with this? Further, Dara Singh pays 32,000 as architect's fees. Bhaktawar brings concrete mixer and other equipment valued at 80,000 and Gopinath brings a motor lorry valued at rupees 75,000. All these are expenses or the material or the equipments brought by the co-venturers. So for expenses and material coming in joint venture account, debit. And co-venturers are the giver, credit the giver to co-venturers account. In that, Dara Singh 32,000 for architect fees. In bracket you can mention architect fees. Then Bhaktawar 80,000 for mixer and equipments. Who's talking in between still? Mixer and equipments. Further, Gopinath 75,000 for motor lorry. So 80, 110, 187,000. Opposite side in co-venturers account by joint venture account. In bracket you can simply write expenses. Dara Singh 32,000, Bhaktawar 80,000 and Gopinath 75,000. Did everyone understand this? So concept will all remain same whether it is consignment of goods or construction of contracts. They paid out of joint bank account for the following. So all the expenses now they are paid out of joint bank. So expenses joint venture account debit to joint bank account. Okay, joint venture account debit to joint bank account. Material 12,26,800. Wages 7,32,200. And sundry expenses 20,000. Sundry is absent. Plant 60,000. 12, 19, 19, 50, 70, 20,36,800. And opposite side in joint bank account by joint venture account in bracket expenses. $20,36,800. Did everyone understand this? Okay, these are paid out of joint bank. Further, on completion of the venture, concrete mixer is sold for rupees 50,000 and plant and equipment are sold as scrap for rupees 10,000. So where will we record sale of mixer and scrap? Joint venture account credit side by joint bank account.
Expense
20,39,000. Now joint bank account, in that mixer is sold for 50,000 and plant and other equipments are sold for 10,000, so total 60,000. Opposite side in joint bank account to joint venture account in bracket mixer and equipments 60,000. Did everyone understand this? See next, Gopinath takes motor lorry at rupees 40,000. So where will you write this motor lorry going out? Joint venture credit side, and Gopinath is the receiver, debit the receiver, so Gopinath account, debit. So here you will write by Gopinath account in bracket motor lorry. At what value he has taken? 40,000. And opposite side in co-venturers account to joint venture account in bracket motor lorry in Gopinath's account column 40,000. Is everyone able to understand this? Now, Dara Singh took the debentures at a valuation of 280, but before that, we would receive the consideration in the previous page. Now, contract is all over. So, we can pass the entry for receiving that 25 lakhs. So, first of all, sale of the building will come in joint venture on credit side. How much did we receive in cash?
22 lakhs.
So, by joint bank account, 22 lakhs in bracket contract price. And how much did we receive in the form of debentures?
3 lakhs.
So by debentures account in bracket contract price 3 lakhs. Did everyone understand this? Then after that, in joint bank account on debit side to joint venture account in bracket contract price 22 lakhs. And in debentures account debit side to joint venture account in bracket contract price 3 lakhs. Did everyone understand this? Okay, contract price received 22 lakhs in cash and 3 lakhs in debentures. So joint bank account debit side 22 lakhs and debentures account debit side 3 lakhs. Now these debentures are taken by whom? Dara Singh. At what value? 2,80,000. So by Dara Singh account 2,80,000. Dara Singh is the receiver, debit the receiver. And Dara Singh account debit side to debentures account in Dara Singh column 2,80,000. And remaining is the loss 3 lakhs debentures taken at. That loss will be transferred to joint venture account. 3 lakhs debentures taken by Dara Singh for 280, so 20,000 is loss. That will be transferred to joint venture account. 20,000 by joint venture account in bracket balancing figure. And if there is profit, means it was more than 3 lakhs. That was taken for 3 lakh 10,000. Then debit side you will transfer it to joint venture account, profit of 10,000. Here in bracket balancing figure. Did everyone understand this? Debentures, whatever balance remains will be transferred to joint venture account. In joint venture the loss will come on opposite side, debit side to debentures account in bracket loss 20,000. Now normal balancing, joint venture will be transferred to co-venture. Co-venture will be transferred to joint bank, and joint bank must. Is everyone clear with this? So 60, 1 lakh, 23, 26 lakhs. Minus 20, 21, 22 lakhs, 46,000. 3 lakh, 54,000 to co-venturers account in bracket profit. And how is it to be distributed? So Dara, Bhakta, Gopi divided by 3, 1,18,000 each. Okay, 3,54,000 divided by 3, 1,18,000. Complete the balancing. In co-venturers credit side by joint venture account, in bracket profit 1,18,000. Who is listening in between? 1,18,000 in all the three columns. Switch off your mobile phones. Now 4,50,000. 380,490. 5,73,000. And 375, 393. $450 minus 280, 170. 5,73,000. And 393 minus 43,53,000. To joint bank account, in bracket balancing figure. Joint bank account credit side by co-venturers account. Dara Singh 1,70,000. Bhaktawar 5,73,000. And Gopinath 3,53,000. Ten lakh 96,000. And joint bank must tally 31 lakh 35,000. Does it come same both the sides? So the concept in all questions remain same. Is everyone clear with this? Anyway, presently no homework in construction contracts. We'll practice more tomorrow morning. Then I will go. Okay. So 2 questions of consignment of goods is your homework. Bye everyone.